Focus to West Bengal, where breaking news is coming in. Posters announcing the construction of a Babri Masjid surfaced across Murshidabad district in West Bengal shortly after TMC MLA Humayun Kabir claimed that a foundation stone for the mosque would be laid on December 6th. TMC has reacted sharply to this. Another TMC MLA, Nirmal Ghosh, said Humayun Kabir is not in contact with the party and his speeches have nothing to do with the TMC. BJP attacks Mamata government on Babri Masjid posters, calls it shameless appeasement, says TMC wants to instigate a riot to consolidate her vote bank in Bengal. So that is a major update that is coming in from West Bengal, and we'll listen into what the TMC MLA said on November 22nd.
बाबरी मस्जिद का शिलान्यास होगी 6 दिसंबर। स्टेट का मेरा नेता सब लोग को संहति दिवस भी उद्यापन होगी। मैं यहाँ का बेलडंगा में एक बाबरी मस्जिद 3 साल के लिए काम चलेगी, इसीलिए उनका भित्ति स्थापन होगी। वो मुस्लिम लीडर लोग सब आएगी।
And we are joined by Kamalika Sen Gupta on this broadcast. A very good morning to you, Kamalika. Kamalika, clearly the TMC has distanced itself, as the other MLA has said that the MLA doesn't know that he is in contact with the party or not.
See, there was a difference between Humayun Kabir and the party for the last 3 to 4 months. He has been show-caused also by the party, and that is what the party's stand is. And Humayun Kabir also declared some days back that he is coming up with a new party. But the point is, till now, his identity is that he is a TMC MLA. So the fact that till now he is a TMC MLA, so the TMC has to take responsibility of it. Though the TMC is saying that he is not in touch with the party, as the MLA Nirmal Ghosh is saying, and others are also saying he has been show-caused, and there are differences of opinion between Humayun Kabir and the party, not on Babri Masjid issue but on other issues also. So definitely what happens on 6th December, that is to be seen. Humayun Kabir right now, yesterday he has gone there, and we have seen that the posters of Babri Masjid has come up. So really we have to see what happens on 6th of December.
Right, Kamalika. Many thanks, Kamalika, for gathering all that. And we'll listen into one more reaction on this story.
देखिए, वो पार्टी का उससे कोई संपर्क अभी नहीं है। उसकी जो स्पीचेस है, भाषण है, वो पार्टी से कुछ लेन देन नहीं है। नहीं, उसका अपने वक्तव्य है, लेकिन पार्टी इसको सहमत नहीं है। पार्टी से कोई संपर्क नहीं है उनसे। He has gone beyond the limit. वो पार्टी के साथ में वो होते तो पार्टी अपने बात करेंगे, वो इंडिविजुअली कोई बात नहीं होता है।
Now shifting focus.